Managing money is one of the most important skills in life, yet many people struggle with it due to ingrained habits that work against their financial well-being. These habits, often developed over time, can lead to poor financial decisions, debt accumulation, and a lack of savings or investment. In this video, we will explore 10 money habits that keep people poor and provide insights on how to overcome them. Living beyond your means. Living beyond your means is a common yet detrimental financial habit. It happens when people spend more money than they earn, often to maintain a lifestyle that looks good outwardly, but is unsustainable in reality. This habit is fueled by social pressure, advertising, and the desire to keep up with peers. Whether it's buying luxury items on credit, dining out excessively, or upgrading to the latest gadgets, overspending leaves little room for savings and pushes individuals into debt. The consequences of this habit are severe. High-interest credit card debt can quickly pile up, eating into your income and making it difficult to achieve financial stability. Additionally, an extravagant lifestyle leaves you unprepared for unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies or job loss. To overcome this habit, start by creating a detailed budget that accounts for your income and essential expenses. Prioritize needs over wants and avoid unnecessary purchases. A simple yet effective rule to follow is the 5,000-30-20 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. Neglecting to save money. Failing to save money is another habit that keeps many people in financial distress. Often, people believe they can't save because they have a limited income or numerous expenses. However, saving isn't about how much you earn. It's about the discipline to put aside a portion of your income regularly. Without savings, even a minor financial hiccup can become a major crisis. When you neglect to save, you remain unprepared for emergencies, such as car repairs, medical bills, or sudden unemployment. This lack of a financial cushion forces people to rely on credit, leading to more debt and higher financial stress. Moreover, not saving means missing opportunities for investments, which could help grow your wealth over time. To break this habit, start small by setting aside a fixed percentage of your income, even if it's just 5%. Automate the process by setting up a direct transfer to a savings account each month. As your income grows, gradually increase your savings rate. Relying on debt for everyday expenses. Using credit cards or loans to cover everyday expenses is a dangerous financial habit. While it might seem convenient in the short term, this approach creates a cycle of dependency on debt that's hard to escape. Many people fall into this trap due to poor budgeting or the inability to distinguish between essential and non-essential spending. The problem with relying on debt is that it erodes your financial health over time. High interest rates on credit cards can make even small purchases significantly more expensive, while loan repayments eat into your disposable income. This leaves you with little money for savings or investments, perpetuating financial instability. To address this issue, start by tracking your expenses to identify areas where you can cut costs. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and use cash or debit cards for daily purchases to avoid accumulating debt. Avoiding investments. Many people shy away from investing due to a fear of risk or a lack of understanding. While saving is important, relying solely on savings is insufficient for long-term financial growth. Inflation erodes the value of money over time, meaning your savings lose purchasing power if they're not growing through investments. Avoiding investments limits your ability to build wealth and secure your financial future. Investments such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds offer opportunities for passive income and long-term growth, but ignoring them leaves you dependent on a fixed income. To overcome this habit, educate yourself about basic investment principles. Start small with low-risk options, such as index funds, or retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. If you're unsure, consider consulting a financial advisor to help create a strategy tailored to your goals and risk tolerance. Failing to track expenses. If you don't know where your money is going, it's almost impossible to manage it effectively. Many people underestimate their spending on discretionary items such as dining out, subscriptions, or shopping. Over time, these seemingly small expenses add up, leading to budget shortfalls and financial stress. Failing to track expenses can result in overspending and a lack of savings. It also makes it difficult to identify wasteful spending or prioritize essential expenses. To fix this habit, start by keeping a detailed record of your income and expenditures. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to categorize your spending into fixed costs, like rent and utilities, variable costs, like groceries, and discretionary spending. Review your expenses monthly to identify areas where you can cut back and redirect those savings toward your financial goals. Ignoring the importance of financial education. A lack of financial literacy is a major barrier to financial success. Without understanding basic concepts such as budgeting, debt management, and investing, it's easy to make poor financial decisions. This lack of knowledge often leads to mistakes like taking on high-interest loans, failing to save for retirement, or not taking advantage of tax benefits. Ignoring financial education keeps you stuck in a cycle of poor money management and dependency on others for financial advice. To break this habit, invest time in educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, attend workshops, or take online courses on topics such as budgeting, investing, and financial planning. Follow reputable financial experts online to stay informed about current trends and strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make smart financial decisions. Impulse spending. Impulse spending is a habit that drains your finances quickly. It often occurs when people make unplanned purchases triggered by emotions, advertisements, or sales promotions. While an occasional indulgence may seem harmless, frequent impulse spending can derail your budget and prevent you from achieving financial goals. This habit is harmful because it leads to unnecessary expenses that strain your finances and reduce your ability to save or invest. Impulse purchases also create buyer's remorse and financial stress, especially when they're made using credit. To combat this habit, implement a cooling-off period for non-essential purchases. Wait 24 to 48 hours before buying anything outside your budget, and reassess whether it's a genuine need or just a fleeting desire. Creating and sticking to a shopping list can also help curb impulse spending. Not setting financial goals. Without clear financial goals, managing money effectively becomes challenging. Goals provide a roadmap and motivation, helping you make informed decisions and stay focused on your priorities. However, many people fail to set financial goals, leading to aimless spending and saving. The absence of goals results in short-term thinking and financial instability. It also makes it difficult to measure progress or stay motivated, reducing your chances of achieving long-term financial security. To overcome this habit, set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," set a goal like, "I will save $5,000 for an emergency fund within 1 year." Break larger goals into smaller milestones and track your progress regularly. Procrastinating on financial planning. Many people delay financial planning because they find it overwhelming or believe they have plenty of time to start. However, procrastination can lead to missed opportunities, such as failing to invest early or neglecting to save for retirement. It also increases the risk of financial crises due to a lack of preparation. Procrastination prevents you from taking important steps toward financial security, such as creating a budget, building an emergency fund, or purchasing insurance. To address this issue, start small by taking simple actions like tracking your expenses or opening a savings account. Set aside dedicated time each month to review your finances and make adjustments as needed. Seeking professional advice can also help simplify the process and provide clarity. Surrounding yourself with poor financial influences. The people you surround yourself with play a significant role in shaping your financial habits. If your social circle encourages excessive spending, prioritizes appearances over savings, or dismisses financial planning, you're likely to adopt similar behaviors. Peer pressure and group norms can make it difficult to stick to a budget or pursue financial goals. Surrounding yourself with poor financial influences perpetuates unhealthy money habits and reduces your motivation to save or invest wisely. To overcome this, seek out individuals who are financially responsible and supportive of your goals. Join communities or groups focused on financial literacy and personal growth. Additionally, communicate your financial boundaries and goals with friends and family to avoid situations that tempt you to overspend. Breaking free from financial struggles requires identifying and addressing the habits that keep you poor. Each of the habits discussed, whether it's living beyond your means, neglecting to save, or avoiding investments, contributes to a cycle of financial instability. By taking proactive steps to change these habits, you can build a solid foundation for financial independence and long-term success. Remember, financial freedom isn't about earning a massive income. It's about making smart choices with the resources you have. Take control of your money today and watch how it transforms your life tomorrow. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.